Good morning. Good morning. It's a new week. How are you all doing? So we are done with our posting. We're going to class. We have class by 1 p.m. so that's where we're heading to. The weather is very cold. That's why I refuse to take off my work coat. The weather is so cold. It has been raining since, and the rain just stopped like an hour ago. So see you guys later. Toodles. So good morning, and today is Tuesday. So quick talk before I go to school. As you can see, I'm already dressed up to get to school. Well, I'm not late. I still have some time to spare. So are you guys seeing what's on my neck? Yeah, you can see it, and I'm sure you can guess right. This is a medal for content creator sports festa 2.0. So I got a medal. The girl was recognized as a content creator in tennis. So I don't know if I'm actually going to be doing a full vlog about the sports festa, but if you guys want it, tell me in the comment section below. But I dropped a few clips in my last vlog, so I'm sure if you watched it, you must have seen. So this is AUMSA Sports Festa 2.0 and content creator. We're getting recognized, guys. So I'm actually getting ready to go to school. This is after 7. So I just know that I'm going to be there before 8:30. So I still have some minutes to spare, and I want to do 1 or 2 before I move. So see you guys later. Did you guys notice that I changed the way I packed my hair? Like, this is how I want to be packing my hair for this week. Like, it's up. The ones I've been styling is that one has been down. Like, I'll pack it down. Like, that's one center part in here. Then to go down, I'll pack it back. But this one, I'm packing it up. So I hope you know the difference. Alright, so see you guys in school. Toodles. So we just finished our morning review. I'm off to world rounds. Then from there we'll know what next. They want stop to photograph her. For me, I'm hungry. I have to fill my stomach first. You get? So we are done for today. Class was cancelled. We are done. See you guys later. Giving you guys a more
Why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke. Shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me. Snatch me up quick. Let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward? Bust down the door. Playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting. But every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting. But every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take
guys, we're almost done. We came to Emu village for a retreat. I said retreat. We said some might say. Okay, so we came to Emu village for an outreach and we're already done. We're wrapping things up so we can head up. Adam. That's the palace. And we did the outreach outside the palace. People have gone already. We're already done. We're just trying to round up. We did children, we did for adults, we did for everybody. There was eye checkup, there was teeth dental checkup, there was vital signs, all sort of checkup. Just name it. We did all for the people of Emu village. Toodles. Hi guys, today is Friday and we're at ONG complex for our immunization. So we did OPV, PCV, yellow fever, meningitis, measles. So we did vaccination for all. You know what's meningitis, right? So we're done. We're going back to pediatrics. Eating. Oh, sorry. We're going to eat. What's going to eat? Pounded yam and egusi soup. These girls, they gave me updates yesterday. They betrayed me yesterday. They went to eat panayam. You not tell me that you are going to eat panayam. I thought you were not going to eat rice.
We are now aware now that it's not pounded yam.
They went to eat Islam only for them to come back and tell me that it is pounded yam that they eat. Jesus. I was so pained. I said, no, today, Friday, I must go and check that place that they are cooking panayam and eat panayam.
But today, I'm going to eat panayam because their rice was
wow. Rice was wow. Jesus.
Yeah. Rice was not nice.
Pounded yam for the ways I've been out for the gold. So, see you guys there. Ciao. We are here. President General. We went to chop. Yes, first lecture has been cancelled. Breaking news. Let me get some. This is pounded yam and egusi.
Session of
I want to know this Alright, so we just finished eating. Wraps of pounded yam with beef and a sausage. Everything together was $8.50. Quite affordable, right? And food was nice, not bad. I'm filled so we're off to class.
So baby, it's a shame that we don't operate well. baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell, take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud. Are you happy now? Cause
Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, good morning. How was your weekend? Today is Monday, it's a new week. I know most of you all spent the weekend watching Sharon Oja and Odogu Salasa wedding. Yeah, me too. The wedding was a bomb. It was really interesting, and it was obvious that they had money. So in this life, moral lesson, have money. Very important. Today is Monday, as I said. We're starting this morning with class, not morning review or word posting. We're starting this morning with a class from one of our HOD, and from there we'll go for our word posting. So see you guys later. Toodles.
So blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off.
Okay, we say we wanna buy.
I'm feeling me up in the middle of the night. You know I'm on self-respect. Cause out the door, straight through the wall.
Because of hunger. So see you guys later. Nothing, sir. Fine, sir. So guys, I'm going for the second class, so I have to get there before the lecture get it. So they will not lock me outside. I don't know how to explain. So toodles, bye.
Class tomorrow they play.
No, like last class for today.
Okay.
See you guys later. Toodles. Bye. Did you guys notice that I changed the way I pack my hair today? Move, Ja. People want to wait. I'll be waiting.
Okay, see that. Yeah, she.
So, telling me that. What? Come on, earthworm. Jesus. It's earthworm that's making this girl feel like this. I know, I should not be like that. Gabby,
So now you show me as I shout. This guy show me as I shout. What only did my steez is
you say I want to reduce our steez. All of our no get umbrella. So you walk out like that. Where?
Are you people okay? Why not?
Oh God. Finally, we are out of the room. See my shirt. Movement. My head, I'm even pitching for nothing else. So I'm done with class. I'm going back to my unit to continue my posting. Toodles. Friday, I just got to the school gate. I'm waiting for my friend so we can go to obstetrics and gynecology together because today's our immunization. Every Friday we do immunization. Which is what I'm kind of waiting for. Yes. Yeah. That's what I'm waiting for. The person that I was waiting for. I'm finally done for today. Jesus. Today was very stressful. Today is the most stressful day in this week. Like the most stressful day. I've been hustling for signatures since morning. So, thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. It's a baby girl, but subscribe.